In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily set a password on your Windows laptop or PC. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go over to the search bar right over here, search for password, and click on the change your password option. And then click on the password option and click on the add. And now you can easily add a password of your choice. Let me add a password of my choice right over here. And then you're going to confirm your password. And if you want to give your password a hint, you can easily place a hint so that you can remember your password even if you forgot it, because you'll be using your hint to remind you of your password. So my hint would be something like this. And then you want to click on the next button and then click on the finish button. And this is how you can easily set a password on your Windows laptop or PC. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.